Rockstar families, and welcome to our weekly VODCAST. I hope that you guys are having a great President's Day weekend, the longer weekend. I apologize for getting our VODCAST out a day late, out of kind of routine, but I just returned from my trip. I'm feeling a little jet lagged, but I am here to deliver an amazing VODCAST, and I am so excited for the week ahead, Rockstars. It is going to be epic and amazing. So, 3 quick announcements, and then let me get you guys off to the strategy session for the day. First of all, I wanted to congratulate this week's Rockstar of the Week, Mr. Mitchell Austin. Mitchell has lived and breathed the Constitution on a daily basis. Just last week, he came into the school to greet me for his morning greeting, and he said, Mr. Reichard, I'm going to make today great. I'm going to be a leader, and I am going to live and breathe that Barrett Academy Constitution. And that he did. For that reason, that is why Mitchell is this week's Rockstar of the Week. Congratulations goes out to Mitch. 2 other announcements. First of all, Cavalier Skate Night is happening on Thursday night at the Cavalier Skating Rink, if you are interested in attending. And asking for one more favor from you guys. A couple months ago, I was nominated for and applied for something called the Fishman Prize. Well, I was informed last week that I moved on to the next round of that, and for that to happen, due next Tuesday, I have to get together a couple of things, one of which being a recorded video of a lesson in class, along with some student work and my lesson plans. So what I need you guys to do for me, I'm going to send home this form that kind of explains that, and also asks for permission for me to take videography of a lesson that could potentially involve, obviously, your scholar, and potentially using your scholar's work to submit. If you're okay with that, guys, just go ahead and fill this out and send that back in. That would be incredibly, I would be so appreciative of that. I'm going to send that home tomorrow. I'm going to tell the Rockstars I'm going to put 10 house points on this if they can get it back the very next day. Remember, I just need this filled out and signed, giving permission for the next round of the Fishman Prize. I think it's pretty cool, and it will shine light on everything that we're doing at Kate Waller Barrett Elementary, which is incredibly exciting. So thank you guys for your support on that one. At this time, I'm going to get you guys over to the strategy session, and I'll see you on the other end. Hey, Route 21 Rockstars, welcome to our strategy session for the week. So I wanted to start off by taking you to the Parents tab that includes our weekly newsletter that has some awesome ways for you to earn house points this week. Let me go ahead and get over to weekly newsletters under the Parents section. Here you will find our newsletter and the house point challenges for the week that are available on the Black, and those are obviously pertaining to our study of angles and triangles, and finding the attributes of different shapes, like we'll be talking about later this week when we begin our study of quadrilateral. So that is all available there under the Parents tab. Weekly newsletters, a great way for you guys to earn some house points. In addition, let me take you guys over to the VODCAST section really quickly, and I want you to really this week spend time on these 2 sections, just like last week, guys. The measuring angles and the classifying triangles. So now that we spent a ton of time with classifying triangles last week, I would definitely be focused on this. Each of these I'm going to say is worth 2 house points. If you want to go ahead and give yourself a little more practice with measuring angles, each of those, as long as you show your work, is going to be worth 1 house point. So 2 for classifying triangles, 1 for measuring angles. And then as the week goes on and we get to it, I'm going to add quadrilaterals, which is the next topic coming up with our study of the different 4-sided figures when we're thinking about geometry. So, the math no guessing riddle of the week. You guys are going to create a riddle once more using the number 99. Okay, really try to stretch your thinking, and what I want you to do is try to get at least 5 awesome math vocab words, 5 pieces of language of the mathematics discipline, 5 math vocab words in that math riddle to earn those full 10 house points. So go ahead and give that a try. I am keeping our angles video up, guys. You guys are doing a really great job with this, but if you still want to look at it, you want to talk to your parents about it, that is available there as well. It's great practice for you to use at home. And then the problem of the week, guys, is actually kind of difficult. It's definitely a really tough challenge, but I want you to give it a try, and I'll give you 20 house points if you go ahead and complete it and bring in your work. This involves with angle measures, subdividing, combining figures, which we'll be talking about later this week, in addition to triangles. And we're talking about angle measures. Remember, we talked last week about the triangle sum theorem that tells us that the three angles of a triangle, when we add them together, angle A, angle B, and angle C, always add up to 180 degrees. Remember when we actually physically ripped that triangle to see that math unfold before our eyes? That is right there, guys. So keep that in mind with the math challenge of the week, 20 house points if you complete it. In addition, I still kept up all these challenges. If you have not done them yet, 5 house points for those. And you can do an A to Z brainstorm for the city of Ember. Okay, so those are the things that I have available for you guys this week to go ahead and check out and explore. Some really awesome opportunities, guys, to earn some house points, and it's going to be pretty epic and amazing. So our secret hashtag for the week is going to be hashtag claim your shape. Hashtag claim your shape. Bring that in, okay? Say that hashtag, and then clap twice and high five me once for your 5 house points. So say claim your shape, 2 claps, high five. You get yourself 5 house points for the week, guys. Some amazing opportunities to earn some more house points. So, with that being said, now I'm going to turn you back over to Mr. Reichert in person. Star families, I hope that those strategies were successful. I hope that you're having a great weekend. As always, give me feedback. Too much, too little. How are they helping you and your scholar at home? You guys are the very best families in Stafford County. Yes, I know I say it every single week, but we truly have an amazing Room 21 Rockstar family, and you are the best. So, with that being said, I will see you guys all next week.